I will be answering one by one questions. First one is, would you find calling to work in creative marketing? Was your future career the one you truly wanted as a child? Like calling out parang necessity and passion. So after the loss of my mother and brother, so I have to support the family needs. So even though that they lost, we've been bankrupt din kasi. That's why karoon ako ng idea to do some work related sa creative marketing. Even though na hindi ko alam siyang creative marketing kasi nga I'm just doing thesis for someone nung high school ako. So that's why I have to do some sidelines or projects. That's why na kaibigan ko or kakilala ko kasi nga I really have to fund my school allowance. Yan, so naging survival ko talaga yung mga digital services or which is before hindi naman digital services ang tawag ko doon. Sideline lang talaga tawag ko doon. Yung gusto ko talaga siguro I want to be a doctor or a lawyer. Kaya natutuwa ako na now nagagawa ko yung career ko na nagawa ko before, but I think na-incorporate ko lang siya somehow sa work ko in the creative marketing industry.